Hey everyone, welcome back to Pi42 Exchange. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more insightful crypto content. Today we're discussing an essential topic for anyone looking to invest in cryptocurrency: how to do your own research on a crypto project. We'll cover two key aspects: fundamental analysis to help you pick the right token or project, and technical analysis to guide your trading decisions using charts. So let's dive in. Fundamental analysis is all about understanding the underlying value of a crypto project. Here's how to approach it. First and foremost is to study the white paper. The white paper is your starting point. It's the project's blueprint, detailing its goals, technology, and use cases. Focuses on technology. What is the technology behind the project? Is it innovative and feasible? Tokenomics. How is the token distributed? What's its utility within the ecosystem? Understanding tokenomics will help you gauge the long-term value of the token. Next is to research the team behind the project. The success of a project heavily depends on the team behind it. Here's what to look for. Experience. Research the backgrounds of the founders and core team members. Do they have a solid history in tech, blockchain, or relevant industries? Transparency. Are the team members visible and active in the community? A transparent team builds trust and confidence among investors. It is also important to check community and partnerships. A strong community and reputable partnerships can be indicators of a project's potential. Community engagement. Explore the project's social media channels. Are they active? Is the community supportive and engaged? Partnerships. Look for credible partnerships with established companies or advisors. These can add significant value and credibility to the project. And finally, it is essential to review security and audits. Security is crucial in the crypto space. Code audits. Has the project undergone security audits? Reputable third-party audits can help ensure the project's code is secure. Exchange listings. Is the token listed on a reputable exchange? Good liquidity and multiple listings generally indicate a healthy project. Once you've identified a promising project through fundamental analysis, the next step is to determine the best time to enter or exit the market using technical analysis. Here's how to get started. First is to understanding price charts. Price charts are visual representation of a cryptocurrency's price movements over time. The two most common types are line charts, simple charts that show the closing prices over a period, great for getting a general sense of market direction. Then we have candlestick charts, more detailed charts that show the open, high, low, and close prices for each time period. Candlesticks are essential for identifying market trends and patterns. Next in line is identifying trends. Trends show the general direction in which the market is moving. Uptrend. Higher highs and higher lows indicate an uptrend. This is generally a good time to buy. Downtrend. Lower highs and lower lows indicate a downtrend. This could be a signal to sell or avoid buying. Sideways or consolidation. When the price moves within a narrow range, it indicates indecision in the market. Next is to understand about key indicators. Technical indicators help traders make sense of price movements. Some key indicators include moving averages. This smooths out price data to identify the trend direction. The most common are the 50-day and 200-day moving averages to understand the main trend. Relative Strength Index. This measures the speed and change of price movements. RSI values above 70 indicate an overbought market, while values below 30 indicate an oversold market. Volume. Trading volume shows how much of a cryptocurrency is being bought and sold. High volume during price increases can confirm a strong uptrend, while low volume can indicate a weaker trend. Next one is chart patterns. Chart patterns are formations created by price movements that can signal future price action. Head and shoulders. This chart pattern often signals a reversal of the current trend. Double top or bottom indicates a potential reversal after reaching a peak or a low. Triangles. Symmetrical ascending or descending triangles can indicate continuation or reversal, depending on the breakout direction. Last but most important one is risk management. This management is crucial in trading. Always set stop loss, a price level where you exit a trade to limit your losses if the market moves against you. Take profit, a price level where you take your profits before the market reverses. These levels help protect your investment and ensure you don't let emotions dictate your trading decisions. In conclusion, doing your own research on a crypto project involves two key components: fundamental analysis to pick the right token or project, and technical analysis to make informed trading decisions. By combining these approaches, you can significantly increase your chances of making successful investments and trades in the crypto space. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto insights and strategies. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.